Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials, power and placement. First, plug the Mophie base into a compatible adapter, ideally 18W for fastest charge. Verify the adapter reads 5V/2A or 9V/2A. Next, set the base on a flat, stable surface away from metal objects. This prevents interference and heat buildup. Remove thick or metal phone cases and magnetic mounts so the coils can align. Once done, position your device roughly centered over the pad. You'll know it's right when the LED indicator reacts or the phone shows charging. Now fine-tune alignment and let the base negotiate power. Place the phone so the wireless charging coil, usually under the camera or center, sits above the pad center. Small shifts matter, so slide a few millimeters if needed. Watch the LED. Solid light means charging, blinking suggests a foreign object or misalignment. If it blinks, remove the phone, clear debris, and retry. For phones with metal or camera bump, try landscape placement. Once charging starts, the system may take a few minutes to stabilize and report the correct rate. Complete the session and handle problems efficiently. Monitor the battery percentage after 5 to 10 minutes. If it doesn't rise, recheck alignment and adapter specs. If the device or pad feels hot, stop charging immediately, unplug the base, remove the case, and let everything cool for 10 to 15 minutes before retrying. For persistent faults, reset the base by unplugging for 10 seconds and plugging back in. If blinking continues or charging fails, contact support. Remember, correct adapter, coil alignment, and ventilation solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.